Did you know that King Tutankhamun, the most famous pharaoh in history, received the worst mummification job ever discovered among Egyptian royalty? When Howard Carter opened Tut's tomb in 1922, he found a shocking sight. The boy king's body was literally disintegrating. The embalmers had used so much resin and oils that chemical reactions carbonized his flesh, turning his skin black and brittle. His heart was completely missing, violating Egyptian religious law about the afterlife. Brain removal was botched too, with pieces left rotting inside his skull. The excessive oils caused his wrappings to fuse with his skin so completely that archaeologists had to cut his body into pieces to remove them. When they tried to lift his torso, it cracked in half. His limbs had to be detached entirely. Historians still debate whether this disaster was caused by incompetent embalmers or a rushed burial process. Either way, the Golden Pharaoh's journey to eternity was anything but perfect.